Happy New Year! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to present one of the best-known poems by Li Bai. The title of the poem is 望廬山瀑布, or Look Out to the Waterfall at Mountain Lu. There are actually two poems with this title. The first one is a 5-character regulated poem, while the second one is a 7-character quadrant. Now, I'm going to talk a bit about the controversy over these two poems sharing the same title. There is an ongoing debate about whether the 7-character quadrant was composed by Li Bai. There is no doubt that the 5-character regulated poem was composed by Li Bai because it appeared in all collections of Li Bai's poetry compiled by publishers from the Tang Dynasty. While none of the anthologies published during the Tang Dynasty included the second poem. But the thing is, the second poem was accredited to Li Bai since the Shang Dynasty more than 1,000 years ago. And more significantly, the second poem was better known and more influential than the first one. Due to the beauty of the second poem, its simple yet elegant language and form, it was memorized by hundreds of generations of school children going back to the Shang Dynasty. So, I'm going to follow the tradition and assume that it was composed by Li Bai. By the way, I would also post the first poem so that you can compare the two poems later. I'm Dr. Gao, a philosopher obsessed with poetry. I make videos about classical Chinese poetry, philosophy, and traditional Chinese medicine. Please click the like button and subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. I also offer one-to-one online lessons on these subjects. So, if you would like to have personally tailored lessons on these subjects, or read the classical Chinese text with me, please contact me. Here's my email address. Now, let me read the poem in Chinese first. 日照香炉生紫烟，遥看瀑布挂前川。飞流直下3000尺，疑是银河落9天。Now, let's look at the first couplet. 日照香炉生紫烟，遥看瀑布挂前川。日 means sun, 照 means shine, 香炉 means thurible, but here it refers to 香炉峰 or the thurible summit located in Lushan or Mount Lu. It is named thurible summit because its shape looks like a thurible. Here is a painting of the thurible peak. Sheng means release. Zi means purple. Yan means either mist or smoke. Ziyan here is used in both senses. In the religious Taoist tradition, purple is a sacred color. It is often associated with spiritual or divine beings and immortals, often travel by riding on purple clouds. Purple mist or clouds are auspicious omens, signifying good fortune for an empire, if seen close to the royal palace. Yao means in the distance. Kan means see. 瀑布 refers to cataract. 挂 means hand. 前 means in front. 川 means river. The painting we saw earlier depicts the scenery described by this couplet. So the couplet can be translated as, on a bright day, the thurible summit releases purple mist. In the distance, I see the cataract hanging in front of the river. 飞流直下3000尺， 疑是银河落九天。飞 means fly. Here it is used as an adjective to describe the waterfall's huge momentum. 流 means flow. 飞流 means flying current. 直下 means straight down. 山 means three. 千 means thousand. 尺 means feet. 3000尺 means 3,000 feet. So the three phrases of 飞流 flying current, 直下 fall straight down, 3000尺 3,000 feet shows the huge momentum of this waterfall. Here is a photo of the Niagara Falls. If you have ever been to the Niagara Falls, you would get the feeling how Li Bai felt at the terrible summit. 疑 means doubt. 是 means is. 疑是 means suspect to be something. Here it means it looks so alike to something that one suspects it is that thing. David and I just translate it simply as like. 银河 or Silver River is the Chinese name for Milky Way. Which one do you prefer, the Silver River or Milky Way? Please let me know in the comment section. 落 means plunge. 九天 refers to the next heaven, which is a common saying referring to the highest place in the heavens. Now, let me explain the cultural significance of the number 9. Here is the oracle bone script of 9, which looks like a dragon. 9, or number 9, is a rather special number in Chinese numerology. It is the biggest young number representing the highest authority. For instance, a commonly used phrase referring to an emperor is 95至尊, the ultimate authority, signified by the fifth line of the hexagram 乾, which is the symbol of heaven. As you can see in this hexagram, the fifth line states, a flying dragon in heaven. It is an auspicious sign to see a great man. By the way, the sixth line in this hexagram, although indicating more powerful young energy than the fifth line, is not used to represent an emperor because it represents the peak of power, hence it symbolizes the beginning of a downfall. It states, an arrogant dragon regrets its action. So, number 5 is also an auspicious number. Number 9 also symbolizes magical power of immortal, such as the nine-tailed fox I told before, or the nine-headed birds, etc. The nine-headed bird is a rather interesting mythical creature. I would make a video if you guys are interested. 9 also sounds exactly the same as the character 9, meaning long-lasting. 9, or number 9, is also a good number for a gift to one's loved interest, such as 9 roses for a girlfriend or wife, etc. Anyway, number 9 is a significant cultural symbol in China. So this couplet can be translated as, they flow straight down 3,000 feet, like the Milky Way plunging through the night heaven. This poem paints a breathtaking scenery of the waterfall at Lushan, or Mount Lu. The terrible summit, shrouded in purple mist, looks like the secret mountain of the immortals. The waterfall plunges for 3,000 feet, as if the Milky Way falls from the highest heaven. Phrases such as terrible, purple mist, Milky Way, and the ninth heaven are all allusion to the immortal world, making the poet feel as if he was there with the immortals. Given Li Bai's obsession with Taoist practice of immortality, we can imagine how happy he was when composing these lines. The vivid language used in this poem also make it easy to grasp the intoxicating beauty of such scenery. The imageries and the allusion instantly draw the readers into this magical world. No wonder this poem is still very much loved by many Chinese today. So much so, the poem is in every textbook for primary school children in all Chinese-speaking communities around the world. I'm Dr. Gao, a philosopher obsessed with poetry. I make videos about classical Chinese poetry, philosophy, and traditional Chinese medicine. I also offer one-to-one online lessons on these subjects. So, if you would like to have personally tailored lessons on this topic or read a classic Chinese text with me, please contact me. Here's my email address. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.